Hello YouTube. Today I am playing Metro O Slice Post Soul here. I just noticed I messed up. I meant to say Motor Slice, but yeah, let's get to it. Let me start this right by doing this. That was pretty cute. So I'm playing this game just to play it because it seemed pretty cool. I saw some videos on it. All right, let's get into it. Ooh, it's loading. This demo takes place shortly after P's arrival at Megastructure. Get in, eliminate all machines, and get out. That was the job, but things are never that simple. Comms with Central Slicers is dead. Her drone orbits has I mean, nothing. The failures is forbidden. Yeah. Only bad at all. I kind of like it. You're just gonna look at me like that? Girl, stop looking at me like that with your side eye. Let's get to it. Oh, heck, No, I don't like that. I don't like it. Back up. Girl, I know you can parkour at that. Come on. There we go. Oh, the camera looked cool. Let me just slack off.
Are you slacking already, Orby? Jeez, no idea why. You're just floating. Well, I still have to climb all the way up.
Please, stay like this for a while, please.
Fine. That tower won't be leaving anytime soon.
Well, that's cool. Oh, this is the angle of the thing. That's cool. Put on the light. Light is the same thing. Sliding. Okay. Oh, cool. Chainsaw Man, who? Let's see this. Oh no, get on! You stupid! What the? What the hell is that? I'm trying to climb up this. Did you see it? That's kind of on you for over jumping it. All right. There you go. I won't die this run. This is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, that's cool. This is a city, huh? Pretty cool. She posing for the camera? Okay. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's so freaking cool. And this music is a bop, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. Another one from these guys. Lost drones can be controlled in the near cargo zone. If you die before that, they will not be controlled. Orbits can be. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Someone's up there. Girl, I need you to stop doing those side jumps because you scare me when you do those. Oh, that's cool. Nope. You ain't doing nothing to me. I don't get it. No, 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 no! Okay. Okay, I someone get in now. Yeah. A little bit. Yep. Yep. All right. Who's won it? I played too much other games like this to get. You stupid clanker. Okay. Anyways, let's get to it. Where were we? Where would that take me? Oh no 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 no! Move! Oh wait. Never mind. We're fine. We're smoothing. Up, down, come on, stay on tempo. Perfect. All right. Oh, that's so freaking cool. I love this game mechanic. I don't want to fall. Oh, yeah, sweet. You know, this game gonna be fun when it drops. All right, can see it. No, please. Okay. Scaring me. You're scaring me, girl. I swear you are. Please don't. Oh, thank God. Okay. This is why you scaring me. What was that? All right. Now, actually, what's over here? Hello there, little fella. Please don't tell me that's gonna be. Come on, all right. Assassin's Creed style. I really got it. This camera angle is messing with me. All right. I want to say I'm on the wall now. Oh, that's close. All right, come on. What's it? Oh, I guess I see what I'm supposed to do. And I'm just like that. Is there a blocking button? Or no, I don't think so. Slice. Who next? I'm rolling with it. Check. All right, there we go. Either this is gonna be fun or this is gonna be hard. Come on. Come on. Make a jump, make a jump, make a jump. Nice. She's just built like that. Now this is gonna scare the. I know that ain't the wind making all that noise. Wait a minute. Boom. That's gonna be what's it called? Right here, right now. That's gonna be where the title card thing gonna be. That's right there. All right. Down. You can make this jump, girl. Come on. Jump. Okay. Ooh. I thought this was getting lower for a second. What are we doing? An eye contest? What, we're doing a staring contest? I think I'm winning. Blank. No. Yeah, yep. There we go. I don't know. Wait, is someone? No. I gotta go through here. Yeah, stay down, stay down. Oh, I see that. I'm down, I'm down. Oh! Okay, I'm back. Go. Yeah. Thought I could go into that. Okay, you just jumped into that one. That was on you. Girl. I'm gonna need you to lock in with me. There we go. Gotta go up on these. Oh. It's so dark up in here. I forgot how. Is it? What? Oh yeah, there you go. Okay. Can I go up here? Are they sure this accident? Wait a second. I can't see nothing up here. Okay. Hold on. Let's try that again. We're going to keep on pushing. Push again. All right, right here. There you go. Let's go up here. Kick down the door. That's where I gotta go. Okay. Oh, solar panels. Something is up here. I can make it. I can make it. Okay. I see it. No, 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 no. Why you do that? Why? Why? Like what? We're jumping over. Wait a second. Thank you for doing that, actually. Girl, you can make that jump. Okay. I really need to land safely now. There we go. Perfect. Something up here. Something down there. Oh. Can I? No, I can't make that jump. Okay. Let's slack off.
Central says we have an interference. But wasn't Baton Tech supposed to be motor-proof? I don't
Damn!
want to replace my headset. It still works fine.
God! Just 1 second. Alright. Another title card right there.
You're made of Baton, Orby. What's your view?
That's a great question. Let me think about that. I think we're really close. They are slacking just... No. We are really close.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at your beautiful face. I mean, what? I got lost in those eyes. God. I'm not beating no allegations. Dang it, I'm so sorry. I got 2 balls, 1 for the show and 1 for the go. I got 2 balls, 1 for the go and 1 for the show. So it's only orange doors. Girl, you know you can jump this. I don't know who you think you lying to. No. Oh, what the? Okay. I don't know what was that, but now we lost both our balls. Look at them. Now we only got 1 nut. So I ain't running all the way back over there for him. But it's all good. That was on me. Oh. Why you no. Oh, that worked. I don't like it here, but something ain't. Told you, I knew something was up in here. What'd I tell you, Brody? Somebody was up in here. Is there no one else up in here? Wait. Look, another ball. Or is this just the same ball that followed me? What's the real reason why I'm over here? Oh, I see. Okay. No, yo! Girl, I just wanted you to jump up. I just wanted you to jump up. Okay. Over. Make the jump, make jump, make jump, make... No, girl, why? It's not the combat that's getting me. It's literally just me jumping. All right. All right. That look right, don't it? I think. Yeah, there we go. Jump. Oh, don't lose momentum on me. Get the angle right. There we go. Got this. Go a little bit higher. Make sure we got the right angle. All right, down, up, hit. You can make it. All right. This is a beautiful tree. All right. Something this way. Going up. Make sure. Oh. Oh, you dodged it, huh? I don't know who you thought you was gonna run away from. I feel like I'm running in loops. No, I'm just going higher on the building. Okay. It's spooky up in here. Also, oh, yeah, okay. Oh, there, little fella. Oh, why don't you come here? Why don't you come far away from the edge? Come closer. Okay. Well, I guess they don't want to follow us. Where do I go? Oh, go down. Oh, that was funny. I mean, it makes sense. No. Not again. Okay. Is you laughing at me? I'll show him something to laugh at. All right, let's do this. The combat pretty smooth. I like that. What is this? Silent Hill? I don't like all this smoke. Sorry, girl, but I don't think we should go up in the... I won't keep it 100% with you. But I guess it's the only way to go, huh? Got nothing. The noise got very ominous right now. No. Oh, okay. Whee! Bro, I'm gonna need you to go that way. Man, I died more to parkour than I did into anything else. No. Prime example. Okay, let's try that again. Can I even make that jump? I wanna know if I don't try it. Can I climb up or no? No, you can't make that jump, girl. You know you can't. Or, you know what? You never know what you try. There we go. Can we go up? I know you. I know you lying, girl. I had faith in you. You know what? You can make it from right. All right, let's line it up. All right, you got this. Hands down, you got this. And then boop. Okay. For less than a gigabyte game, this is ooh. Well optimized. Almost got me. Oh no. Okay. I'm not gonna make this. Never mind, I did make it. No, girl, please. The idea is slide, not slide up. No. Okay. Let's try that again. That's not even your fault. That's my fault. I should have jumped. I apologize. Let's wait. Girl, you really got it. I know you look fine, but girl, you got to do it better. Okay, watch it. Momentum. See, you just need a little prep talk. Let's slack off for a bit, huh? Let's talk.
Hey, look. I found some weird holes.
I don't think you should be looking in those.
Are they connected to something?
I don't know. P, you're such a. I don't know about that one, buddy. Are you done? No, I guess I go with this sort of thing because this sounds like I'm being a butthole. P, you're such a kid. I'm supposed to be a gooner, aren't I? Understand. Bro, you walking all around here at a construction site with all that cake. Go back to the bakery. What's in there? No, I saw that. I'm cooked. Oh no, I guess not. Get down! Hit. What we playing, hopscotch? Get back. That's not the direction, Pete. There we go. Ooh. Why do I think I read holes? Mm-mm. How do people even drive that thing? Oh, hey, buddy. Bye. Oh. Um. How do I get up on you? Where the? Okay. Run out back then. Maybe there's another way up. I thought I could get on the sides. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I see the plan. I need to angle up. I don't like this angle, but this works. Can I get under here? There you go. No. Wait. Maybe on the wheel. Oh! Okay. So I gotta get the idea. Okay. P, please. I'm sorry. P. I believe in you. I believe in us. I can't make that jump. What if? Come on, P. You know you could have made that. P. Am I just stupid? Yes. But I am. Let me get it back up. Oh, now I can't climb this. Okay. Are you? Peas. Okay, so now if I could just go there. Oh, I did it. All right, where do I go now? I know. Where am I supposed to go? Wait. Oh, okay. I think I know where I'm supposed to go now. I really hope that's the way I think it is. It is. Let me make sure I got the whole thing though. Okay. Ow, that hurts. Okay, let's slide down. Okay. No. Dang it. Oh, sweet Jesus. No. Yeah, there we go. What? Come on, no. That hurts a lot. Get the shredder. I love this music, it's so relaxing. I love the game. Hands down, I really did like this game. The parkour mechanic. So you want, yes, I do want more bosses. Yes, that look cool. I would 100% buy this game. I love this. And yeah, the slice of life of it too. And the voice acting. Ooh.
Motor slice. Wish list now.
I will. I freaking love this game. Yeah. Well, YouTube, I liked the game. It was actually way more than I expected it to be. It was very impressive. I like the animation style. I like all of it. And before I end off today, I want to try out something. Wait, why did you just moan like that? Hold on. All right. Come on. Strike 2. Strike 3. All right, YouTube. Oh yeah, a great time watching me play this game. Bye.